Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to do Exp22 Excel chapter 3 mid-level 1 airports. Basically this is the third chapter of Excel section of this Pearson course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step, and you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments, then you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. My WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. Please reach me out through WhatsApp or email and hire me for your courses. So at start of instruction, we are given with project description. There is nothing to solve in this project description, but I suggest you to read this project description well so that you can get an idea about the assignment. Once you will read this, you will get it, understand, and this will be easy for you to solve this assignment on your own. Then we have main part of the assignment, that is steps to perform to complete this project, and we have a total of 17 steps to get this assignment done. In this video I am not only going to solve the questions or steps for you, I am also going to make you learn the Microsoft Excel as well. So if you want to do this assignment or if you want to learn the Excel, please watch this complete video, follow me step by step, then this will be easy for you to solve this assignment on your own. So now let's move to step number 1 or question number 1 of the assignment. Step number 1 or question number 1 of the assignment is saying start Excel, download and open the file named Exp22 Excel chapter 3 mid-level 1 airports. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Start Excel, download, open the file named Exp22 Excel chapter 3 mid-level 1 airport. So I have already downloaded this Excel workbook, and this is the Excel workbook that we gonna use to solve this assignment. We will apply all the instructions, all the formulas, all the functions to this Excel workbook, and we gonna make this Excel workbook in the final form for the submission. So step number 1 of the assignment is just about downloading of this Excel workbook. I have already downloaded, and you can download this from your course dashboard. So step number 1 of the assignment is just about downloading of this Excel workbook. There is nothing else to solve in step number 1. So we're gonna do next step of the assignment, that is step number 2. And step number 2 of the assignment is saying you want to create a clustered column chart to depict the passengers count at the 6 airports over several years. Create a clustered column chart for the ranges A4 up to L10. Cut the chart and paste it in cell A15. So basically now we are supposed to create a clustered column chart, and that clustered column chart should be based on this range, that is A4 up to L10. So first of all we will select this range A4 up to L10, then we will create a clustered column chart, then we are supposed to cut and paste the chart into cell A15. So first let me select this range, that is A4 up to L10. So A4 is here, L is here, and select this A4 up to L10. Go to Insert tab, go to Chart and select clustered column chart. So we have created a clustered column chart based on the range A4 up to L10. Now cut this chart, right click on that, cut this and paste it in cell A15. Okay. Now that is all about step number 2. So now we are supposed to do next step, that is step number 3. You want to customize the column chart with the chart title. Display the years as a data series. Enlarge the charts to be easier to read and apply a chart style. So now basically in step number 3 we are supposed to customize the clustered column chart that we have just created. So it is saying type passengers count at top US airports as the chart title. So this is the title for this chart. So instead of typing this chart title, I will simply copy this chart title, that is saying passengers count at top US airports. Go to the workbook, select chart title. After selecting the chart title, click in formula bar and paste the title here and press enter. So now you can see that we have given a name to this clustered column chart. Then next thing, it is saying swap the data on the category axis and in the legend. Go to chart design, select data. Then it is saying swap the data in the category axis and legend, this one. So we have swapped the data on the category axis and the legend. Okay. Now set a 3.5 height and 11.4 width. Again select the chart, go to format, and height should be 3.4. Type 3.4 here. Sorry, this is 3.5. So type 3.5 height and 11.4 width. 11.4 width, this one. Okay. Apply the style 7 chart style. So select the chart, go to chart design and apply style 7. This is style 7, this one. So we have created a clustered column chart, then we have made some modification to this clustered column chart. First we have given a title to this chart, then we swapped the legend and the category axis, then we have increased the title and we have increased the height and width of the chart. Okay, now we are supposed to do next step of the assignment, that is step number 4. And step number 4 of the assignment is saying the value axis takes up a lot of spaces for the numbers. You will adjust the value axis to simplify it. Okay, so now we are supposed to simplify the value axis. Change the display units to millions for the value axis. So now we are supposed to change the display units to million for the value axis. So this is the value axis. Select this one, right click on that and select format axis. So now here you can see the display units and change this to the millions. Okay, so we have changed the display units to million. Added the axis title to display millions of the passenger. So close this one. You can see the axis title is million. Now we are supposed to change this axis title to millions of the passengers. Okay, select this one. Okay, now paste the title here, that is millions of the passenger, and press enter. So that is all about step number 4. So we have completed 4 steps of this assignment so far, and now we're gonna do next step of the assignment, that is step number 5. You want to focus on the 2019 data series by adding data labels. Display the data labels above the columns for the 2019 data series only. So now we are supposed to display the data labels above the column, and we will make sure that these data labels should be only for 2019 series. Let me go to the chart, and 2019 series you can see is the dark blue, this one. So select this series. So we have selected the series. Now go to chart element, go to data labels, and from here select above position. Outside and, okay, data labels, outside and. So now you can see the data labels for the 2019 series only at the outside and position. So that is all about step number 5. So we have completed 5 steps of this assignment so far, and now we are supposed to do next step, that is step number 6. Applying a fill color to the chart area will make the chart visually appealing. Apply the light gradient accent 1 gradient fill to the chart area. So now we are supposed to apply the light gradient accent 1 gradient fill to the chart area. Light gradient accent 1 gradient fill to the chart area. So this is the chart area. Okay, this is the chart area. Right click in the chart area and click format chart area. Light gradient X and 1. So go to fill color and select gradient fill, and from here select light gradient X and 1. So the first one is the light gradient X and 1. So this is the fill color that we are supposed to apply. So I have applied the light gradient X and 1 fill color to the chart area of this clustered column chart. Okay. So that is all about step number 6. Now we are supposed to do next step, that is step number 7. So step number 7 is saying a best practice is to add all text to chart for the accessibility compliance. Add all text. The column chart displays the number of passengers including the period. So this is the text that we are supposed to add into the clustered column chart as alt text. So I will simply copy this alt text starting from the and ending at period. Go to the workbook, right click here and select view alt text. So type or paste the alt text here. You can either type it here or you can paste it here. Okay. After pasting it here, you will click on the save button, okay, to save this alt text. Okay, that is all about step number 7, where we were supposed to add the alt text. Now we are supposed to do next step, that is step number 8. You want to create a bar chart to display passengers count for only 1 year. So now we are supposed to create a bar chart so that we can display the passenger count only for 1 year. Create a clustered bar chart for the range A5 up to A10 and L5 up to L10 and move the chart to chart sheet name bar chart. So basically we are supposed to create a bar chart for the year 2019. So we will select A5 up to A10. We have selected our first range, then press and hold the control button and then select L5 up to L10. Click insert tab, go to the chart and select clustered bar chart. So we have inserted or we have created a clustered bar chart. Now we are supposed to move this chart. So go to chart design, click move chart, and we are supposed to give a new name to the sheet that should be bar chart. So we are moving the bar chart to new sheet, that name is bar chart. Okay, click OK. So we have created a clustered bar chart, then we have moved the chart to its own sheet, that is the clustered bar chart. And that is all about step number 9. Now we are supposed to do next step, that is step number 9. You want to customize the bar chart. Change the chart color to monochromatic palette 5. Select the chart, go to chart design, go to change color, and from here select monochromatic palette 5. This is the color that we are supposed to use for this clustered bar chart, monochromatic palette 5, this one. Then enter passengers at top 6 US airport in 2019 as the chart title. So this is the title that we are supposed to give to the chart. So copy this title from here, passengers at top 6 US airport in 2019. So select this one. Go to chart title, select this one, click in formula bar and paste it here and press enter. Okay. Now apply style 5 chart style. So again select the chart and from the style option select style 5, this one. Okay. Now add all text. Atlanta had the most passenger including the period. Copy this alt text, go to the workbook, right click here and click view alt text and paste the alt text here. You can either copy and paste it here, otherwise you can type it here as well. Okay, so after copying and pasting it here, just click this save button so that you can save this alt text. Okay, that is all about step number 9 of this assignment. So we are done with 9 steps of this assignment so far, and that is almost half of the assignment that I have completed for you in this video. But if you want me to do this complete assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments, then you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all the other writing assignments, mathematics, etc. My WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. Please reach me out through WhatsApp or email and hire me for your courses, and I will produce best grade for you. Thank you so much again.